Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're making a very simple potato stew. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I'm taking 4 peeled potatoes, 1 sliced onion, 3 slit green chilies. You can take more if you like it spicy. A small piece of ginger chopped, some curry leaves. Ooh, I'm loving this already. A teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Give it a small stir. Guys, this is a really great side dish for idli, dosa, appam, idiyappam, also rice. We are pressure cooking this 3 whistles. Looks like it's done. Let's just check. It's beautifully cooked. Look at that. And I'm mashing the potatoes randomly just to get that creamy texture. And guys, this dish is vegan, it's gluten free, and it literally takes just 10 minutes to make. And I'm 100% sure you guys have all these ingredients in your pantry right now. And to that I'm adding a cup of thick coconut milk. Let this stew cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Comes to a boil. Oh yeah, this is the consistency we are looking for. Awesome. And it's done. Yeah, you heard it right. It's done. Guys, it's easy, it's comforting, and it's absolutely delicious. Please let me know in the comment section if you have tried it, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much, and I will join you in my next video.